Hello to all ladies and gentlemen cooking in Africa with firewood. I am Hermann Determeier, an agricultural engineer, and I've worked 2 years in Ghana, and I'm struggling with you to reduce firewood. It is possible to reduce the consumption of by two-thirds. And you need at first bottles to collect the energy of the sun. The water is stored in kapok baskets, so the temperature remains by 60-70 degrees. And the third part you need, that is a wood-saving Baula stove combined with a chimney, and this enables you to save the firewood and a lot of time too, because the time is needed to plant trees, to do garden work and other things, but not to carry firewood for hours. That is not needed anymore, because this system has a big difference to the three-stone fire what people are used to use. This system is using the energy for a very long time before it is leaving the system, and that makes it so efficient. And I hope you can find out your own experience with this. I want only to put in some ideas, and I'm very happy if reports come to Solar Chance, and then we can join and share ideas. Thank you very much.